friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today we are doing something very exciting here today. We are unboxing my March Stitch Fix. So for those of you guys that don't know, I do monthly Stitch Fix unboxings here on my channel. Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription service where you can get quarterly, monthly, yearly boxes sent to you that are customized by a personal stylist and send you 5 items. You can pick and choose what you want and don't want, and I just like to show you guys what I get in my box every month. You guys seem to enjoy it and it's a fun video for me to film. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright friends, so per the usual, we'll start with the most exciting thing for me in every one of these boxes, which is shoes. So you don't always get shoes in a box, but when you do, it's always a fun thing just to be like something different. And these are very interesting. They're very different than stuff that I normally would, but they have a very corporate vibe to them. They're by Lucky brand, and I'm actually not mad at these. I am trying to build up my wardrobe of professional clothing. For those of you guys that don't know, I do a corporate job on the side as well. Well, not on the side. This is my job on the side. But yeah, I do a corporate job from 9 to 5. So I do like having corporate clothes. I like having that wardrobe to kind of fall back on. So these I think would actually be really good if they're comfortable, because as we all know, shoes that aren't comfortable just aren't a fun time. So we'll try these on per the usual after this unboxing portion, and I'll show you guys and you can let me know what you think. Next, we have a pair of pants, which are very interesting. I don't know how to feel about them at all because they're something I normally would never pick up. But they are these like grayish army green, like I don't even know what kind of material. Oh, before I forget, the shoes were the Lucky brand Asina cutout leather flat in taupe size 7. Had to add that in. But yeah, these pants are interesting. They have a really strong like elastic waistband up here at the top, which could be really nice. And then they have like sewn closed pockets, because as we know, women don't need pockets. How dare they give us real pockets? They're all sewn shut. But yeah, these are really interesting. And these from Stitch Fix, oh, these are a Stitch Fix exclusive, and they're by Liverpool, and they're the Cameron skinny pant in olive size 0. So as per usual, we will try them on. Let us see how they look on my body and go from there. But overall, first impression, not my first choice. Okay, next, this seems like a very corporate-y vibe kind of clothing. Oh, seriously corporate. Oh, this is really cute. Okay, so this is a really pretty dress. I love these like bodycon fit kind of dresses. I think they're so nice. They're so easy for like corporate, just throw them on, get out the door and go. And this is by Calvin Klein in size 0, and this is the Calvin Klein dress in Melody knit dress in dark gray size 0. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really all about this. It's really cute, it looks really fitted. We'll just have to see how it fits, especially in like the arm top bit, because as we've discussed in previous videos, I'm built like a martini glass. I'm very like large on top and not so big on the bottom, so we'll see how this goes, but I'm actually really into this. Next, we have, ooh, this is cute. What are you? Like a shawl, leathery jacket, zipped. This is interesting. I really don't know how to feel about this. So this, I don't even think you guys are gonna be able to tell on camera, is like a sweater with zippers. It's a pretty heavy material. It feels really nice. And this is the Tarte Darcy knit blazer off-white in size small. So I'll be honest, I tend to avoid white or off-white clothing because I can never keep it clean. But this is cute. Again, I don't know how it's gonna look on. It's very like slouchy blazer. I don't even know. This will be interesting. We'll try it on. We'll see what we think. You all know the drill. Okay, and last but not least, oh, this is kind of cute. This is a kind of tunic-y, loose-fitting top. Again, very kind of corporate vibes. I feel like I could do this whole outfit as a look. That's probably what we're gonna do. So this is really cute. It's kind of a chiffon, that's the word, chiffon material, very, very lightweight, which would be really great for that spring to summer transition. I will say the colors are a little bit more fall to me, but in California it kind of doesn't really matter. So yeah, we'll see how this looks. This is by the brand Lush, and this is the Lush Warren split neck blouse in burgundy size small. So I'm intrigued. We'll try it on. You all know the drill from now by now. We'll try this on, see how it looks. You all let me know down in the comments below. But that does it for the unboxing portion of this video. And now let's go ahead and try things on my body. Hi friends. So, quick try on as you always do. Here is the red shirt that I got in the box. I actually really like this. It's a little bit more flowy and big than I would have probably liked. I do actually really like it, but I feel like I could get something like something similar for not as expensive. I think this one's around $44, give or take. But I like it. It's comfortable, it's flowy, it's not too low cut, but low cut enough that I don't feel like it's like up at my neck. Also, the pants. So these green pants are the first thing, one of the first things I've ever gotten a Stitch Fix box that don't fit me. These are snug and they stop like right at my thigh. So we're actually not trying these on today because they don't fit my butt. So there's that. Also, I don't even know if you guys can see this, but these are the shoes. They're really comfortable actually. They are a nice low heel. They are really fitted well on my feet. They're a little bit snug at the top, but there's lots of padding, so they're really comfortable to just like walk around in, do all of that kind of stuff, which is really great. I don't even know if you guys can see these right now. Sorry, I know the angle is garbage. So yeah, I actually, like I said, I like these as well. I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, I really like these as well. I think they're really cute items, and let's try on the next one. Okay, so this is the jacket blazer that we had. I really like this. It's really comfortable. It's a nice like heavy material. My only thing again with this box is the fit of things isn't my favorite. Granted, I am wearing a more like flowy shirt, but I did tie it like a little bit tighter, but this still feels like a little big in the shoulders. It just kind of doesn't give me the most flattering cut. It makes me, I feel like, look very boxy and very square, so I'm not the biggest fan of this one. I'm gonna say a solid for this. Okay friends, so again, speaking of things that don't fit me well in this box, this is the dress. I actually love the style of this dress. It's just so tight on my arms up here and like under my armpits. Like, not a fan at all. The fit down here I think is really great, but I mean this isn't even zipped up all the way, and it's so snug up here on my chest. As we know, I'm built like a martini glass, so things just up here are not comfortable at all. But the length of this I really enjoy. I think it's nice, it's fitted, it's comfortable. I think if you just have a little bit more of a either hourglass or like not so big up top here, I think you're really, really gonna like this style. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, per the usual. But yeah, definitely gonna send this back because it's tight. Alright guys, so that is it for my March Stitch Fix unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know what items were your favorite down in the comments below. Of course, subscribe to see more of my face, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!